The most expensive thing on the internet right now isn't traffic, it's boredom. Millions of Americans open apps not because they need something, but because they are bored for 3 to 7 minutes. If you learn to monetize micro boredom, you win. People get bored, waiting for food, sitting in traffic, before sleeping, between classes, during breaks. These tiny boredom windows happen 10 to 20 times a day. Each one is a monetizable moment. You don't build a brand, you build micro-dopamine digital products. 60-second quizzes, choose your ending threads, micro-challenges, brain games, 1-minute debates, ultra-short mysteries, monetize with ads, low-cost subscriptions, premium endings, or pay to unlock content. Attention spans are shrinking. Long courses? Dead. Long videos? Only for strong creators. But 90-second stimulation loops? Addictive. Capture that boredom cycle, and you don't need millions of followers, just repeat consumption. The internet runs on boredom. If you design for it, you don't chase attention, you trap